to your September Fast and Fit 5-minute workout. Are you ready? Wake up every morning with me and let's get going. Get that oxygen to flow because you'll feel better. Oxygen gives you energy, so get those muscles moving. That's what gets the oxygen to flow. The bigger muscles in the body get it done faster, and those are hips, thighs, and buttocks. So get down there, use your thighs. Go down and up. There you go, good. You can do it. Really feel that reach now. Over-exaggerate the stretch. There you go, morning stretch. Good morning, I'm here for you each and every morning with our 5-minute wake-up workout. And let's twist it out. Just twist it out. This is such a good way to get going. You'll feel the energy flowing. It'll give you a right mindset for the day. Positive energy. Yes, 2 more. Last one. Okay, inner thigh workout. Let's go in the inner thighs. Deeper, that's it. A good stretch here. Great for circulation in your legs. That's it. Wonderful way to start your day. Yes. Do some breathing exercises and then do this 5-minute workout just to get started, just to get going. That's it. Drink some water. You got it. Last one. Okay, let's do a nice, good squat. Go down and up. These are gonna be all the exercises that I like to do each and every morning. Wake up workout. Lunges and squats are so good for balance. They work those muscles that we all need. Leg strength, functional fitness. Work those arms. Sit back there. You got it. Last one. Okay, let's do a nice lunge now. Legs apart, go down and straight back up. There you go, just like this. Let's bring the arms all the way up and press them down. Lift and lower. Good, reach and lower. 2 more. You got it. Last one. Okay, let's go to the other side. Lift and lower. Stretch and down. Use your thigh muscles. We're only doing mini lunges, so don't worry, you can do this. You got it. Stretch up and down. Working all the major muscle groups of the body. We got 2 more. Last one. Beautiful. Okay, stomach in, back strong and straight. Just lift your knees. Place your hands behind your head. Lift. Work those lower abs. Get those core muscles engaged. Get them moving. Activate those muscle cells in your waistline. That's it, and let's twist it out. Pull in the belly button. That's it. Beautiful. Twist, twist. Good. Pull the tummy in. That's it. Draw those abs up and in towards your spine. Tighten it. Good. You got 2 more. Last one. Beautiful. Now we're going to do a hinge. Another important move to do every day. Bend your knees, slightly sliver your hands down to your legs, almost to the ankles. Back is straight like this and come back up. And as you come back up, we're gonna tighten up that tushy. Good. Again, hamstring stretch. Good. Now hold it, back strong and straight. Reach for the shins. Use your buttocks, keep your abs strong and straight. And squeeze. Again, one more hinge. Notice my hips go way back. My arms are straight. My back is the most important thing, straight and strong. Good, and really squeeze that tushy. All right, stretching out through the legs. Good. Stretch those hamstrings, beautiful. That's it, and to the other side. Toes come up. Great for the calf muscles. In case you wear heels, but I love my sneakers. New Easy Spirit. Last one. Beautiful. And let's stretch and elongate the spine. Lift your arms up and over and stretch it back. But squeeze the buttocks, bend your knees, and release. Come all the way up. Let's do a side bend for the side body. Lateral bend. That's it. Stretch to the side. Working all the major muscle groups of the body. That's it. Stretch and tone together. That's it. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Go out and make it a fabulous day because you are worth it. Love you guys. See you tomorrow. Thanks for working out with me. Woo! If you love this workout, I have so much more at DeniseAustin.com. Try my free trial that you get to do all kinds of different workouts and recipes, eating plans. You will love it. All you have to do is visit DeniseAustin.com, sign up for your free trial now.